Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And in today's video, I'm going to show you an easy way to fix Yahoo keeps stopping error on your mobile device. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So if you are facing this error and the Yahoo Mail app keeps stopping, what you have to do is you just have to restart your device. Alright, so if you are facing this issue with any of the applications that is installed on your mobile device, you just have to restart your mobile device first and then make sure that no application is running in the background. Alright, so you have to close all the applications that are running in the background, and then what you have to do is you have to go to settings, and in the applications section you have to look for the Yahoo Mail app, and then you have to select the storage option that is given right here, and you have to clear the cache of your Yahoo Mail app. Alright, this is important. You can also clear that data as it will log you out from your Yahoo Mail account and then you can log in again. Alright, so this will also fix the error, and if you don't want to log in again, you can simply clear the cache. Alright, so this can also help you in fixing this issue and the Yahoo Mail app may start working again. Now the last option is you just have to go to Play Store and search for the Yahoo app, and as you can see, an update is available, so make sure you have the latest version of the Yahoo Mail app installed on your device. So here I'm going to install the app. So similarly, you have to get the update of the Yahoo Mail app, and then you can see if the issue gets fixed or not. So hopefully all these solutions will fix this error with Yahoo Mail app. So hopefully that will fix the Yahoo Mail keeps stopping error for you. And if the video was helpful, you can subscribe to my channel for more such troubleshooting videos. And I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.